Want to free up valuable Google Drive storage, or just tidy up old files? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to permanently delete your WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. Step by step, the foolproof way for 2025. Whether you're running low on space or just want a clean slate, this guide will help you get it done in minutes. So let's dive right in. Access Google Drive. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. If you're already signed in, great. If not, log in using the same Google account linked to your WhatsApp backup. Go to Storage. Once you're on the Google Drive dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar menu and click on Storage. This section shows exactly what's taking up space in your drive. Find the Backups folder. Now, in the top right corner of the storage page, you'll notice a folder icon labeled Backups. Click on that. This is where your app backups, including WhatsApp, are stored. Identify WhatsApp backup. Inside the Backups folder, you'll see a list of all the backups connected to your account. Look for the one labeled WhatsApp. It should also show the last updated date and its size. Click on it to open its details. Delete the backup. In the new window that appears, look for the Delete icon, and it usually looks like a trash can at the upper right corner. Click it. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you really want to delete this backup permanently. Confirm the action, and that's it. Your WhatsApp backup is now gone forever. And there you have it. Your WhatsApp backup has been permanently removed from Google Drive, freeing up space instantly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.